Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel English with Akash. In this video, I will talk about the second important thing like speaking. Whatever you listen from your surroundings, whatever you listen from podcast or English story kids, you also listen some English cartoon videos. Firstly, you listen like whatever the people say in the like rhythm, grammar, pronunciation, whatever you listen from their podcast or English story. Firstly, listen patiently what they say during the conversation, like how to start the conversation, like the way of speaking, the way of body posture. Whenever you listen this type of podcast or English story, firstly you indulge with this environment. You can create this environment. Then after that, you have the second step like speaking. Whatever you have listened from that type of podcast, English videos or English story kits. Speaking is the most important thing, whatever you listen from the podcast and anything. Whatever you listen, just copy with them, like whatever they say, like pronunciation, how to express their feeling, the way of speaking, like how to start a conversation, like how to speak in this language. So it's most important thing, whatever you listen from that type of video or podcast. Speaking is the most important thing because I can understand whatever's happening right now with me. In the initial day when I start to speaking any person or like how to start a conversation, like how to talk with another guy, it's very difficult in the initial day. But right now I can say that I will talk any person in any situation. I have a little bit confidence to talk with them, a little bit topic or a little bit like I can say that 10 minutes, 20 minutes because I can practice right now. That's why I suggest you to speak whatever comes in your mind. No matter grammar is correct, your grammar is very poor, your pronunciation is very poor, you can't express your feeling in this language, but just try to express whatever comes in your mind. Speaking is the big play role, whatever you listen from your surroundings. So whatever comes in your mind, टूटी फूटी में जो भी आ रहा है आपके माइंड में वो बोलो यू कैन स्टार्ट योर कन्वर्सेशन हेलो हाउ आर यू व्हाट्स योर नेम वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम हाउ डू यू डू anything whatever comes in your mind you can talk with the another guys or you can talk with yourself and most important thing firstly you start with yourself you have practice whatever you have resources you can use this type of resources for your communication skill for your English language. Suppose you are not speaking in this language, then how can you say that I want to become a fluent in this language? Maybe 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year later. In my point of view, you speak whatever comes in your mind, like little bit whatever you have knowledge about this language. You know very well alphabet words like ABCD. You just collect some words and then speak whatever comes in your mind. So firstly, you speak whatever comes in your mind. Don't feel shy what the people say, how people judge you. Like, I am very poor in the grammar part. So it doesn't matter. So firstly you start speaking whatever comes in your mind. Suppose some people criticize you, some people laugh you. So don't this type of people they always criticize whatever you want to do in your life. And most important thing, suppose you start doing something in your life. At a time also many people criticize, they laugh you. So in my point of view, you speak every day little bit. I can say that like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then you can increase your speaking practice. When you start to do something in your life, people always criticize whatever you are doing. People always laugh you. They destroy your like confidence. In my situation, it will also happen when I start to learn this language. And most importantly, whenever I talk any person, they always criticize me. You are a very shy person. You have not confidence. How to talk with the another guy. At a time, I will be very frustrated, shy person, but I will continue. Whatever comes in my mind, I will talk another guy or another person. Little bit like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and after that I also cut the phone calls, the voice calling. In the initial days, very tough, but when you learn this language, like speaking, maybe 1 month, 2 months later, you will be comfortable with this language, like you speak in the fluent way. But initial days very tough in my. So whatever I have observed, whatever I saw from my surrounding, I give some suggestion. You start first, whatever comes in your mind. So that's the message I want to convey. That is the point I will share with you. You start whatever comes in your mind. I know you have not enough vocabulary, sentence structure, but just start. Like you heard about eat word. It means khana. You can talk with a little bit like I can say that I will eat my food in sometimes. I have taken my eat before you came here. You can just start this type of words. Eat. Suppose you have another word like go. So you can say that I will go market with my friends to buy some products for my clothes. And another sentences I can say that I will go with my friends to travel. These type of things you can create whatever you have knowledge about this language. So this is the message I thought with you share. So maybe future you also become a fluent in this language, but in my point of view, you start first speaking whatever comes in your mind. So thank you for watching this video. I will be meet in the next video in the next topic. Bye bye and thank you.